Alright, eat the other eye. I'm gonna pinch it.
Wait. Hold on.
Come on, I'm recording this. Eat the other eye. I dare you. Let me see the fish now. Eyeless fish.